Hello, everybody. Welcome to TUFF Plus Online Show. I'm Catherine. This is my partner Doris.
Hello, friend. I'm Doris.
Today, we will introduce TUFF Plus new launch LED lights. They include LED light bars, LED work light, and LED headlight.
Yes, TUFF Plus companies designs and produce LED automatic lights for 70 years, and our product lights include LED headlight, driving light, light bulb, work light, and headlight bump, warming light. Also, we have made OE tail light, turning light, interior light, and LED modules.
Well, I guess our friends, they are eager to know which new products we will introduce. So Doris, which products will you introduce first?
Yes. First introduced product is our LED light bulb.
LED light bars.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the first product I will introduce. This is a uniquely designed LED light bulb. It's very different from other LED light bulbs on the market.
Why you say it is different?
Because we use the single row side emitting.
Side emitting.
Yes.
Why use side emitting? In the market, there are so many the normal the uh like the work light.
Yes. Because the single row side emitting reflector design can substantially increase the light efficiencies.
Yeah.
Yes, and this light have two sides you can choose. It have straight and a curve. Yes.
Straight and curve.
Yes.
Okay.
And also it have many lengths you can choose, such as 12-inch or 22-inch. Yes, and because it have many lengths you can choose, so it can meet different installation requirements under different situations.
Okay. So do you know where customers could install these lights on?
Yes, this light can install on the front bumper, on the roof, and on the bed. If friends want to know more and how to install it, draw us a light. We will show many information to you.
Yes, our friends could contact us by email or WhatsApp or WeChat or uh, call us and we will send you more information.
Yes. On the other hand, this light bulb shell is integrated form to greatly enhance the waterproof performance and reduce the rain noise during
Yes.
driving. Yes.
And I noticed that there is a nut here.
Yes.
Yes. What's this used for?
This is PG7 nut, which is for tie the wire and stop the water go inside this light to help us light make the IP67 waterproof possible.
Okay, welcome back. Doris, I noticed that here it's a nut. What's this nut used for?
Yes, it is a PG7 nut, which is for tie the wire and stop the water go inside the light, and it to help our light make IP67 waterproof possible.
Okay.
And yes, and this housing we made of aerospace aluminum. the aerodynamics is used to reduce the wind noise, and it can better heat resistant. It's very strong.
Okay.
Yes. And the PC lens we use 2H plus hardness PC lens, and you don't it's very strong, and you don't worry about being captured by the stone on the side of the road.
And I found that there are two different brackets.
Yes. The brackets we use uh, stainless steel brackets, and it can adjustable.
So you mean our friends, if they install this light on the car, they could change the angle?
Yes, change the any angle you want.
Okay.
Yes.
And how about these bottom brackets? This. I found it is have this strong curve light, and it can move.
It can move. Yes, it can. It can move any.
So we just lose this this nuts, this little nuts, and it can move to adjust to fit the holes on your cars or on the bumper.
Yes.
So it is very universal fit for the cars.
Yes.
Okay.
The back kit. The back kit we use a stainless steel. We all know the stainless steel are harder than aluminum. They are more resistant to the air corrosion than iron products. Yes, and the cable we use high quality silicon wire. It has high temperature resistant and angel resistant.
Okay, and it is with a waterproof connector, and with this is for the precision light.
Yes.
So, Doris, could you light this light up to show our customers the beam patterns and what does it look when they are lighting up?
Yes.
Okay, we will go to light this light. Okay. Please hold the light, Doris. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay. So our cameras, please show our beam patterns. Okay. It's with a super strong light, 605,000 Kelvin. Yes. Oval beam patterns in front of us, and you can see it's a very wide beam pattern. Yes, very strong, a strong in the middle, so it can bright in about 400 meters in one lux. Okay, and we will show the position light. This position light also very special. Unique design. It is on the top of this light. Yes. This light is with this okay. This light is with this eagle. This eagle lens. It's very special. See that? Okay. It also very bright. Have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lights here. Okay. Okay. So if our friends, you are interested in this special LED light bar, you could contact us by email, WhatsApp, WeChat, or call us. We will show you more information, and we will like to tell you about this light bar. It is EMARC R112 and R10, R7 certificate.
Yes.
Yes, so it is legal use on road for the European markets.
Yes. And this light bulb has IP167 waterproof, and we do IP167 tests for our each products. Yes, Osmos and this light bulb is a narrow bodied and it's very easy to insert. All kinds of model can be trial assembly. Yes, such as off-road and mining industry or junk and accessories. Yes.
Okay. So after this light bars, we will introduce which light to our friends Doris.
Next, I will introduce the flock.
The work light.
Yes, the LED work light is a 4-inch scrap LED work light.
4-inch.
Yes, 4-inch.
I found that it is with a very strong housing. How many watts of these LED lights?
Oh yes, this LED light have 14 watt.
14 watt.
Yeah,
okay.
14 watt.
It's very strong.
Yes.
And which beam patterns do these light bars have?
It has three type light. It has spawn light and flock light and interglare light. Yes, you have 3 choice. And different type of light can produce different effect. Yes, and this is the spotlight.
Long spot.
Yes, long spotlight. And this spotlight, the house tint we made of the die-casting aluminum alloys is better heat resisting. And the mark we use hardcore PC lens.
Hardcore PC lens.
Yes, it's very strong.
That's mostly because our customers would install these lights on the milling machines or truck. They will crash in a very strong. They may be crashed in a very strong situation. So we will need to protect these lights.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, and the back kit we use 304 adjustable stainless steel.
Okay.
Yes, you can adjustable. Yes.
Okay, so the angle also could change.
Yes. And this light we have EMARC and is R10 and 6/25 class 4 certificate, and we will print it on our PC lens. Yes.
Okay, so the EMA certification is for the European market also.
Yes.
And if our customers they would like the light, don't need the EMA, we also could make it, or it would like to have other certifications, we could apply for them.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And the volunteer is 1 year, and the waterproof is IP167, and each our 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 products we have conduct the waterproof test, and which we divide into two types. The samples we dip it into the water 1 meter 1 meter deeper 30 minutes, and the former ordered we use airing test inspirations to test the waterproof.
Okay.
Yes.
And we also have some we also will bring some samples to do the IP67 test under the water.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. This LiDAR application include the mining industry, off-road, or and agriculture machineries. Yes.
And I know that this light is also fit for 60 volt for the forklift.
Yes.
Okay, so we have we also have another videos for to introduce these lights to install on the forklifts. And if our friends you want to know more about this, you could contact us and we will send you more details.
Yes. Okay, I will want to introduce the next products.
Okay,
Yes.
this is also the work light.
Yes, it's also the work light, and it has this this these two work light. The difference between them is the size different, and the shape is a 12, and this is a 20 LED
Chips.
yes.
Okay.
And they both have the three type lights: spotlight and fog light and anti-glare light. Yes.
Okay. So three different beam pattern lines, they could fit for different situations, different vehicles.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And the housing is also made of the die-casting aluminum alloy. Yes, it's better heat resistant.
Okay. Doris, I found these two lines. You see, the housing is very strong.
Yes.
Yes,
it's
and very thick. How many powers of these lines?
How many power of this light?
Yeah.
Yes, and this light power is 16 watt.
60 watt.
Yes.
Okay.
And this is the 100 watt.
100 watt.
Yes.
Okay. It's very strong.
Yes, it's very strong. And the bucket we use the dentist bucket. Yes. It's different at our other work light. This bucket which not only the truth that can reduce for installation and easy to insert and reduce the risk of bucket correcting. Yes.
Okay. And I also found this. You see, the brackets is different with the formal LED light, what lights you
Yes.
install. You can see this. It can adjust in this side. See, it have a U shape to change the angle.
Yes.
So our friends, they could fasten this, tie the bottom brackets first, and they adjust the the side brackets this side after they install the light on the car.
Yes.
Okay. And how about this? This waterproof insert connector.
Yes, it's the built-in connector.
Okay, the built-in connector. Why we use the built-in connector? Do you know? Because they are more easy to connect the lines, and it is waterproof.
Waterproof?
Yes, because you see that they are sealed. Our cameras, could you see this? Okay. They are sealed, and we only need to insert the female connector in this hole, and they could light the light up. They do not light the. Okay. We could insert the female connector in this hole, in this male connector hole, and the light could light up easily. And because our customers sometimes they don't want this connector with the tail, with this wire tail, and they would like to install the light on the car and use the male connector, the female connectors to insert and make the light up. It's more convenient.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Doris, can we also light this work light to show our customers the beam patterns and the brightness of this light?
Yes.
Okay, let's show our customers. Long spot, white flag. Okay. We have long spot, white flag, and also anti-glare beam patterns for these lights.
Yes.
Okay. So we will light this 60 watt. This is the anti-glare
Yes,
beam pattern.
anti-glare.
Okay. Our customers see that. This anti-glare beam pattern, it has a very wide beam and a very, you can see this. It's not like the spot beam or the flag beam. It have not only the wide beam pattern, it also have a strong beam in the middle. So you can see it's very bright. This light is only 60 watt, and you can see even though we have other lights in this room, and we can indicate this beam pattern is very strong. Okay. Okay. This is a 40-watt LED light with 6,500 Kelvin. The bright, it's very bright light. This is long spot. The beam pattern is level. In the middle, it is very strong light. See this? Okay. Okay. This is 100-watt long spotlight. You could see the difference with the 40-watt long spotlight. It has much brighter spot beam pattern. And we also will show this LED light in the darkness to show our customers how far away can this light light up the brightness of this light. And you could follow us and check our videos later. Okay. Okay. This is a white floodlight.
Yes.
100-watt a white floodlight. Doris, you found the difference with the formal long spotlight with this white floodlight? The beam patterns is different. On the screen, you could find that in the middle, it's not so bright as the long spot, right? And it have a more white beam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So our customers, if you want to see more about this light information, you could follow us and contact us. Hi friends, welcome back. And if you want to know more information about the LED work lights TUFF Plus produce, you could contact us by Skype, email, WhatsApp, WeChat, or call us, and we will send you more informations. Yes. And especially if you want to know the EMA certificate for these lights, we could send you to your email directly.
Yes.
Okay. Doris, and after the LED work lights, which lights we will introduce later?
Yes, and now we will introduce the LED headlight.
The headlights.
Yes.
What size of these lights?
This size is 7-inch LED light.
7
Headlight.
inch.
Yes.
Okay.
This light has high-low beam with the parking light and and daytime running light and turning light. You can have many functions. Yes, and the light is stilled and hyper brightness, and the light is pure white. Yes. This headlight has hyper brightness, spread, and can also greatly improve uh, in, and can also greatly improve visibility at night, even with dense fog or heavy rain. Um, this light can reduce 80% traffic accident caused by poor visibility headlight. Yes. You can look this size is the parking light. Yes.
The parking light and the daytime running light are shared use the same place.
Yes.
Okay. And these two projector is for the low beam.
Yes.
And this reflector is for the high beam.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And the housing we use die casting aluminum alloy. It is best heat resisting. And the mark we use hard cost poly component covers. It's very strong. And this is our waterproof nang, which is for tie the wire and stop the water go inside the light. To help our light make IP16A waterproof possible. Yes. Yes, and we use high quality silicon white. And this light have a mark, don't, and ECE certificate. European and American market both can use. Also, we have RHD and LHD you can choose.
Doris, do you know the right-hand drive light for which countries?
Right?
The right-hand drive, RHD.
RHD, uh, uh, in
India.
yes, India and Hong Kong
Yes, Hong Kong.
and Australia.
Yes, Australia.
Japan,
Japan, Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Yes, Thailand. And
Thailand.
also the United Kingdom. Yes.
Oh. And we use the S4 connector.
The H4 connector is for the high beam and low beam control, and for these two light, one is for the position and one is for the daytime running light.
Okay, let's introduce the next product. This Welcome to Combat Lens, and now I will introduce the 5-inch LED headlight. This light also has halo beam with parking light and daytime running light. You can look these positions is the parking light, and this size is the
Low beam.
yes, and the two sides.
The reflector is for the high beam.
Yes, and this light also the light is stilled and it can provide hyper brightness, and the light is very pure white like the sun. And the housing is also made of the die-casting aluminum alloy. Is very better heat resisting and relaxing. Yes, this is the PG7 mount. which is for tie the wife and stop the water go inside to help our light make IP IP16A IP16A waterproof possible. Uh, this headlight also have EMARC and DOT and ECE's certificate. We will print them on our PC lens. Look. It can use on European and American.
And Doris, what kind of vehicles that could install these headlights?
Install this headlight.
Yes.
You can install on the front.
Yes, it is headlight for the truck. For the truck, for the motorcycle. Yes, and for the some cars.
Some cars.
Yes, some mini cars. It could install this light. Yes, and some tractors also could install this light. Yes, this light is EMA R149 and R148 certificate.
Oh.
Yes, so for the European countries, it is legal to use on road, and it is DOT certificate. It's legal in the North American market. Yes, and if our customers you require for other markets certificate, we also could adjust our lights to apply it to fit for your market.
Yes, and our each products in addition to the waterproof test, we also have agent test and high and low temperature test. The agent test, each product we conduct the agent test before the deliveries, which prove production reliability and reduce the reply rate. Yes, and the high and low temperature test. This temperature is to simi- uh, simulate simulate the heat resistance and cold resistance of the products in high and low temperature environmentals, and can also use to screen component with multiply potential force. Yes.
Okay. And do you have other information to share with our friends about these lies? All these lies?
Yes. This light we use H4 connector. It can connect the halo beams, and this is connect
the precision light,
and this is
the data running light.
light.
Yes. And Doris, could this light make the turning light function?
Turning light function?
Yes, for this light, is it possible?
Yes.
No. For this light, because it's too small, the turning light function is not equal to use, and the housing is also small. We don't have enough room inside to make the turning light function. Yes, and we have the 7-inch headlight to make the the turning light function. Yes.
Yes, this have turning light function.
Yes. Okay. Our customers, if you want to know more information about these headlights, work lights, and night bars, you could contact us. Yes, contact us, and we will show you more information. TUFF Plus is not only this new launch LED headlights. We also have other 5-inch, 7-inch, 90mm headlight, and the fog light, the work light, driving light, light bar, and warning light. Any other lights on the cars and on the truck, or even on the tractors. If you want to know more information, contact us. Yes, TUFF Plus have over 70 years experience in the automotive LED light design and manufacture. Yes, we have over 50 engineers to support our OEM, ODM project, and also for the aftermarket projects. And if you have any ideas to make a new light, we could help you to make it come true.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, friends. Please contact us, and we could discuss more. And if you have any other need, let us know, and we could support you. So this live show is finished.
Yes.
Yes, and if you want to know more about us, and please follow TUFF Plus, and you could show we could show you more information.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Bye bye.
See you.